How's it going, y'all? Got another unboxing for y'all. I know that is a crowd favorite, so I'm glad I could do one more for you guys. This one I actually ordered in, I guess, last month. It's been a while. I don't know, maybe the vendor, again, Joma Shop, so, but here it is, right? So, I think it takes a while for them to fill whatever orders they receive, so this one just finally came through and I got it. You'll probably see on the thumbnail what it is, but it is the Dunhill Sandalwood from their, I can't remember what line. It's like it's supposed to be their higher end line that they released a couple of years ago that was very expensive. I think the bottles started over $100, but it is the Indian Sandalwood. That's what it box is, right? It is a not official box, or it's the tester box, but this is what it looks like. So if you're familiar with their icon line, it is going to look the same. Very good weight, nice thick heavy base, but I don't know how it smells. We'll see. 100 ml. Excited to smell this one. There's quite a few in this lineup. There's all the way from the fresh scents, like I think they have a lavender one, a neroli one, and they do neroli actually pretty well. That's how the Icon series kind of took off. If you're into neroli, I don't really like it that much. Not my jam, but you know, it smells good. I just don't. I don't like wearing it. I like smelling it on other people. But okay, let's see how this smells in the air first. Let's see here. Sprayer is kind of not that. Ooh, that's nice. Definitely sandalwood. It's got this softness, almost like a vanillic touch to it, but it's it's that creaminess of the sandalwood that kind of gives that vanilla vibe, if you're familiar with that. You smell some spices, whether that's cardamom or cinnamon. I can't really tell. And then there's kind of like this layer of dry woodiness that goes through it that you kind of smell on the back end. So I'm getting woods, of course, sandalwood, the little creaminess of it, some spices. Again, I'm not sure whether it's cardamom, cinnamon, maybe nutmeg. And then there's this like damp, dank woodiness that kind of floats around in the air. So it's really nice though. Clean. It's not heavy, or at least not yet. There's nothing really heavy about it. You know, rose can be heavy sometimes. Ambers and those things can be really heavy. This is on the more lighter, creamier side. Not thin, but it's not this deep scent. Let's see skin real quick. I'm getting a little bit of booziness off my skin now. It kind of sweetened up. And the woods on my skin just amped up. It is so kind of reminiscent of Bentley Absolute. So the black bottle, the one that's supposed to smell like Gucci Pour Homme 2. But it's not as dry. This is a little bit sweeter. So along those same lines, a little bit of maybe incense going on. Cedar, Yeah, that's where that absolute. So I'm not sure if it's cedar and sandalwood. Maybe it's just a sandalwood kind of coming off cedary on my skin, peppery. But again, very clean, very inoffensive. I mean, I think it's great for this weather. So like your fall weather is perfect. Depending on your winter, um, it may not be strong enough. I don't know how it's going to project it or anything, but I'll do another one here. Yeah, there's there's almost a nuttiness to it. I mean, the wood. So if you like a woody scent, this is. I mean, you should. I mean, if you're ordering sandalwood, you should probably already be, a fan of woodsy scents. But woodsy, slightly spicy. The sandalwood's on the creamy side. Not super heavy. I don't know how it's going to project or last or anything like that. So we'll see how this goes. This is the unboxing first impressions, and it's the Dunhill London's Indian Sandalwood. All right, guys. So if you've ever tried it, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your opinions. And what do you want to see next? Thanks for all the subscribers, and I continue to hopefully make some content in short order. I'm kind of dialed it back recently, trying to get my other channel up. It's the fitness channels that I mentioned here. So that's actually been a little bit more of my focus. So I'm not trying to neglect anything on this end, but that one is definitely where my focus has been recently. So if you want to see and check that out, you're more than welcome to. You can just search my name, Daniel Solis. It's on YouTube, DSoul Coaching on Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful, awesome week, day, month, year. Talk to y'all soon.